Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching another one of my videos. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video upload. Today, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 beauty products that I always have here on my vanity. All of these products can either be found at Sephora, Ulta, or on Amazon, and they're all under $25. Let's get started. The first product I'm going to show you guys is from Amazon, and this is the Arsti Makeup Brush Remover. Now, if you've never seen one of these, it's a little sponge, and all you do is get your makeup brush and lightly swirl it in there. This little sponge takes off the color and helps you transition into the next color. This little sponge is also removable, and you can wash it just as you do your beauty blenders or makeup sponges. So I really like this. I have several of them, and I want to say you can get a 2-pack for about $8 or $9 on Amazon. I will leave all of the prices and description in the box down below. This is a must-have on every vanity. It's so much easier to swirl your brush in here than it is to look for a tissue, swirl it in here, and risk getting little pieces of lint on your brush. Nobody wants that. The next item I have is from Wet n Wild Beauty, and this is their makeup sponge. Now, you want to go in with this damp just like you normally would a beauty blender. This does not absorb product. It blends out makeup so well. I use these on pretty much a daily basis. I have about maybe 4 or 5 of them, and I just love how well they work. This beauty sponge is just as good, if not better, than the $20 beauty blender. And I picked this up on the Wet n Wild website. I believe I picked this up for around $3.99. The next product that I love, and I use it multiple times throughout my makeup application, that is the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Now, you can pick this up straight from the Morphe website, and you can pick it up at Ulta.com and Ulta in stores. I am on like my 4th or 5th bottle of the setting spray. I love it. I use it once I've done my bronzer and highlighter, and I do it again once I've done all my makeup, and then I go in with another setting spray. To me, you cannot have enough setting sprays. But I love this because of the fine mist that it has. It's such a very fine mist. It's an aerosol can. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. It just really helps the makeup absorb into the skin and not like sit on top of the skin. It just meshes everything beautifully, and I find that when I use this, if I'm experiencing some cakiness right here in my problem area, which is on top of my cheek below my under eye area here, I find that it helps alleviate some of that. So again, Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is a game changer, guys. I highly recommend that you pick this up. Another product I want to share with you is an extremely affordable eyeliner, and this is from LA Girl. This is the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. I have multiple colors of these, but I'm always reaching for my black eyeliner. I love a black eyeliner in my lower waterline. I use this to line my upper waterline, and this stays put all day. In my opinion, this compares to the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and that Urban Decay is well over 20 bucks. This one was about $4 online at Ulta, and I cannot get enough of this eyeliner. I love it. It's always here on my vanity. The last item that I want to show you is the most expensive in this bunch, and this is the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. This is available at Sephora, and I like this first and foremost because of the size. Second, because it's Natasha Denona and she makes some really amazing eyeshadows. But the main reason why I like this is because of the neutral colors, specifically the 2 matte shades, the dark brown and the camel color. This is such a great palette to keep on top of your vanity, to throw in your purse, to throw in your carry-on bag. This takes up zero room. This is so lightweight. The colors are neutral. These colors go with just about any look that you're gonna create, and they blend out so beautifully on the eyes. I just find that I'm always reaching for this. It's just an easy travel palette. It's just an easy grab and go, and let's be on our way, no fuss eye look. You just really get great payoff with this, really good pigmentation, and I cannot stop using this. I take this with me on any trip that I'm going on. That is all I have for you today, guys. These were my top 5 beauty items that I always keep here on my vanity. They're within arm's reach, and I use these just about every single day. I hope this video was beneficial to some of you guys who are kind of wondering, well, what staples do I need to have here on my vanity? These products are a great place to start, and you can get them all for $25 or less. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and ring that bell so that you'll never miss any one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.